Hello guys, we are glad to have you back on this channel just like we always do. And yes, on today's video, we are live at the boundary between Anambra and Imo State, Nigeria, through Uga town. And also, this is the exact place where the road dualization and expansion is going to be ending from Anambra State, and hopefully Imo State would connect and continue from there up to Owerri. So guys, there is so much to learn and to know about what is going on along this axis of the road dualization and expansion, talking about the Uga-Ekwulobia axis of this project. And first of all, there is something I knew today that I never knew before, which is the fact that the contractors that are handling this section of the project are not the AG Vision, just like I've always thought. So the guys that are really handling this side of the project are the Cranborg Construction Company, and these are the same guys that are constructing the dual carriage flyover at the Assumpta Control in Owerri. And to be sincere with you, I am so pleased with what these guys are doing at this axis of the construction. The thing that made their construction to be so special and totally different from what the AG Vision and the GELD are doing is that they are making provision for a walkway on their own part of the construction site. Don't worry, they have not gotten to this point when it comes to the walkway construction, but you would see where they have gotten already. And this makes their job so different and more professional than what their counterparts are doing. So if you look closely, I believe from this axis you will begin to see what they are doing already. They have already done the drainage on one side up to the boundary, and also they have done the walkways from here. Now you will begin to see the walkway from here. As you can see the walkways already, and I've done this walkway up till inside Uga town. So I'm going to show you where AG Vision are going to stop their construction. In fact, they have already done a landmark on that particular spot where they are going to stop their own, and that is where the Cranborg guys are going to meet up and connect with theirs. Initially, I thought it is going to be a particular design from the boundary up till Amobia. But the Cranborg Construction Company have proven me wrong, because they actually came with a more professional design of this road. And I really hope that it would have been like this all through up till Amobia, but there is nothing one can do. So just in case you are joining this channel for the first time, this is BlessingGodwinTV, and I indulge you to please do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. So guys, this is one of the transformational projects that the Soludo administration is carrying out in Anambra State at the moment. And I must tell you the way it is, this is one of the legacy projects of this administration. Talking about when this administration might have left office, even after a very long time, we are still going to remember this administration for the great works and transformation it has done in Anambra State. Anambra is no longer that state with one of the most tiny roads in Nigeria. The way it is right now, Anambra State is already becoming truly the light of the nation, and it is truly rising. You need to see the progress that have been recorded on this road so far so good from the last time we brought you the update of this road. As I'm talking to you right now, there is asphalt already in Oga, and the AG Vision are trying at their best to complete their own axis of the construction so that the rain would not meet them on ground. So I would love to hear from you guys. I would love to hear your thoughts. I would love to hear your ideas. I would love to hear your recommendations. I would love to hear your thoughts. Whatever it is you would love to share with us about this massive progress that is being recorded so far, please do well to share with us on the comment section so that we all will be on the same page together. So if you look closely around this area now, this is the Orioga area. You will notice that this is the only place that this dualization would not affect any building or any structure at all. And that is because the buildings on both sides of the road gave enough space, an ample space from the major road itself. And I wish it was like this all through. There wouldn't be need to start pulling down structures and fences and whatsoever else have you. So people need to start learning the act of not building on the roadside, especially in our state, Anambra. I believe this project might have taught a lot of people a lesson. So we are talking about what Soludo is doing in Anambra State at the moment, and I must tell you the way it is so impressive. It is unquantifiable. I don't even know the words to use to describe what this administration is doing so far in Anambra State. Just within 3 years, the state has transformed magnificently, and I must tell you guys, we have not had it in this manner before. Talking about the state at large, have not had it in this manner before. So like I told you earlier on, this is where the AG Vision are ending their own construction. You can see it already. This is where they are going to end, and then this is where the Cranborg Construction Company are going to connect. So you can see that this work is progressing massively and impressively. Just like I'm talking to you already, asphalt has already gotten up to Oga from Nanka. So stick to this video, make sure you watch it to the end because you are going to see so much progress. It's so interesting. Like, I loved what I saw, frankly speaking, from the last time we visited this project with what we have on ground right now. I must tell you that the progress is massive. You need to see what is already or what have already happened on ground even as we speak. So let's keep going because we are still in Oga Town, live at the road dualization and expansion that is being carried out from scratch by the Soludo's administration. And don't forget that this is one of the legacy projects that these administrations are carrying out in Anambra State as of today. And that is why I always say that Anambra as a state entirely is a construction site. If you go through this channel, you would see a lot of videos of different projects from different locations of this state. And I must tell you guys, by the time this administration is done with Anambra State, a lot is going to be transformed. And Anambra is going to truly be standing out amongst its peers. So let's take a drive because we are already at the point where asphalt started, or where they ended the asphalting. and gradually they are going to progress from all of this section up till the Uga, as in towards where they are going to end their own construction. They are almost to that point. They are almost close to that point where they are going to end their own construction. Talking about the AG Vision. And I must tell you the truth, what AG Vision is doing on ground is also very impressive, because they are delivering a very quality job on ground. So look at it the way it is. From this point is where asphalt stopped on this particular lane. And don't forget, they are working on the other lane. I mean, asphalt is already progressing on the other lane, getting to this point. So they will be done with the asphalt of this road before you know it. As you can see right now, we are driving on a very smooth road that is recently constructed by AG Vision. Yes, they are the ones working on this axis or section of the road. And we will take you from here up to Uga-Ekwulobia. That was, we are going to pass through the Agwata local government area and then up to Uga-Ekwulobia, so that you will see how beautiful and how organized all those areas are looking right now. It is very, very impressive. The transformation is massive, I must tell you guys. So make sure you watch this video till the end so that you will see all of this progress that have been recorded within a very short time from the last time we got you the update of this project. And don't forget to share with us your thoughts about this project, your thoughts about the government of Anambra State of today, your thoughts about the massive transformation that are going on within the state even as we speak right now. Make sure you watch this video till the end and share with us whatever it is you know or you observed about this project. And also don't forget to share with us things that you know about this project that we don't know about them. Enjoy the rest of the video and God bless you. Thank you for watching up to this point. God bless you, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye for now.